Hello guys and welcome to another YouTube video. Today I'll be showing you how do you post from on the Instagram app using your desktop. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. First of all, we're going to be opening up our Instagram app. Once we've opened this, what I want to do is I'm going to hit F12, right? Either you can do this or you can just right click and press inspect, and that would open up the same stuff. So then there's this button that basically toggles your device. You're gonna hit that, and now you're gonna hit iPhone whatever's, and you're gonna refresh. Now normally, sometimes, literally before making this video, I was trying out different kinds of stuff, and I mean, you cannot basically post the story itself, but you definitely got this post button here, but I am unable to get that. So I was like, for the purpose of this video, I need a backup plan. How would my users do it? Well, the answer is pretty simple. You would need actually a emulator, a mobile emulator. And now on this, you can just, this is the BlueStacks app player. You can just search for BlueStacks, and this is the first thing that's gonna pop up. It's a great application. You can go ahead and you can log into your app store, and then once you have done that, you can download any application you want, and you can just post it from here. Additionally, what you can do is you can just go to the game center and you can search for any app you want there, because I don't know, for some reason I was not getting a install button on the Google Play stores, but here you can search for anything. For example, Instagram. I hope I get the results. Okay, I did not get it. So it says installed. You can go in here and you can install it. So once you have done that, it's gonna open up, and then you can just access it like any application on your phone. So that is all from this video. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you guys.